Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this money cake. I made it through Design Space and I'll put the link in the description box below so you can have an access to it. It's very easy to make and it's for any occasion. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app and then type in DIY by Sess in the search bar and then enter. And then scroll down a little bit and under Community Members, click DIY by Sess. And then click this project. If you're not a Cricut Access member, you have to pay for the amount shown below. But if you're an Access member, it's free. So let's go ahead and click Edit a Copy. I'm just going to zoom it out. So on the left side, you can see these images that you can use as a topper. Now, as you can see, each image is duplicated because we're going to glue them side by side. I'll show you how to do it later in this video. So I have decided to use this one for my topper. Now I need to select these ones. We can either delete them by clicking delete on our keyboard or hide them. So I'm going to click group first so we can hide them together. And then click the eye icon to hide them. And now we can go ahead and click Make It. Now for the material size, I'm going to change it to 8.5 by 11 inches because that's the size of the cardstock that I'm going to use. Now we can go ahead and click Continue. Now in this tutorial, I used medium cardstock or the 80-pound ones. For a thicker and better foundation money cake, I would suggest to use heavy cardstock instead. So now I'm going to click medium cardstock for the base material, and whenever I cut cardstock, I adjust the pressure to more. So here are the pieces that we're going to glue together. Now we need to glue these three pieces together and this small one goes in the middle. Now take these two pieces together and then fold the longer piece like so. Now we're done folding this piece, we can now grab the other one and do exactly what we did with the other one. Now we're going to glue them all together and this one goes in the middle. So this is Aleene's Tacky Glue. Now I'm just going to use this glue stick for these round pieces. And then glue this third round piece with the two other round pieces that we just glued together. And then glue these two small round pieces together. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sess. Thanks for watching!